In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack. And by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the Slack for Outlook integration set up so you can share emails into Slack quickly and keep your team in the loop without constantly forwarding messages. So let's start inside Slack on your desktop. First, look toward the top left corner of your Slack window. You should see a main menu where your workspace name appears. In that same general area, you'll find the option labeled Admin. Go ahead and click on Admin. And if you don't see it, you may not have admin permissions in your workspace, and you might need to ask a workspace owner or admin to follow these steps for you. Once you're in the admin menu, look for the option called Apps and Workflows. This is where Slack manages all of the external tools and automations that can connect to your workspace. Click on Apps and Workflows to open the app management view. This page is essentially your hub for discovering, installing, and managing integrations. On the Apps and Workflows page, you should see a section that lets you explore or manage apps. Click on Browse. This will take you into Slack's app directory for your workspace. From here, you can search for almost any supported integration. In the search bar, type Outlook. Make sure you spell it correctly so the results show the right app. And after a moment, you'll see a list of apps related to Outlook. Look for the one labeled Slack for Outlook. This is the official integration that allows you to send emails and attachments from Outlook directly into Slack channels or direct messages. Click on Slack for Outlook to open the app details page, and here you can quickly review what the integration does and which permissions it needs. When you're ready, click on the button that says Add to Slack. If your organization has app approval settings, this might trigger a request for admin approval. Otherwise, it will proceed to the connection steps. After reviewing Add to Slack, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to sign in with your Microsoft or Outlook account, so then you just grant necessary permissions and it will automatically integrate your Outlook into your Slack workspace. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.